Here I'm going to ask from ChatGPT that do you know everything? Let's try. Here he's answering. As an artificial intelligence, I have been designed to learn and process information in a similar way to human brain. However, I do not have the ability to experience the world or acquire new information beyond what I was trained on. My knowledge is based on the data and information that was used to create and train me, and I am not able to learn or gain new knowledge beyond this. Because of this, it's not accurate to say that I know everything. He's saying that he don't know everything, but he know many things. Okay, then however I can provide information and assistance on a wide range of topics with the scope of my training and knowledge. It means he said that he know things in a wide range of topics, not for a specific one. He know many topics and he know many things in the world in a wide range, and but he is saying that he don't know everything.